Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, before starting the recipe, just want to remind you please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Here I have taken Ash Gourd, and this is called Kumblanga in Malayalam. This is 300 to 350 grams. I have removed the skin. Now I will be cutting in small pieces that I am showing here. Pieces should be something like this, what I am showing you just now. So after cutting, now I will be showing you how to prepare this. So for that I have taken a pot. This is a ceramic pot. You can use clay pot also. So now to this I will be adding the ash gourd or kumblanga. Then I will be adding little salt. Salt is totally according to your taste. And then I will be adding green chili because this curry is not very spicy. Now we will just stir it so that salt is mixed well, and then we will cover and cook. I'm not adding any water because already ash gourd has lot of water, so it will cook in its own water. So as you can see, our ash gourd is cooked nicely. To that I have added the thin coconut milk, that is randam pal. So that I have added, and that is almost a 1.5 cup, and we have to stir it like this continuously till the curry comes to the boiling point. Okay, when the curry start boiling, then we will be adding our thick coconut milk, that is Onam. Okay, so as you can see I am adding, and that is 1 cup. So I've added that also, and now we will stir it nicely. And at this moment you should check the salt. If salt is less, then you can add the salt. After adding the thick coconut milk, we should not boil it, so we are just warming it. And then our curry is almost ready. For the last touch, we are just garnishing our curry with fresh curry leaves. So I am showing you, I have garnished it, and final touch is with coconut oil. And in this curry we are not using any tempering, so this is only a small teaspoon of coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, that I have added to this. And our yummy tasty OLAN recipe for Onam Sadhya is ready. Do try this recipe and give your feedback, and I wish everyone a happy, prosperous and healthy Onam. So enjoy your Onam, and please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and comment if you liked my recipe. And before ending my video, just want to remind you, do check my other Onam Sadhya recipes. All the other recipes link I will be giving in the description box below. So friends, please stay at home and stay safe. Love you all. Take care. Bye.